Okay, Emmy, come and get it. Girls, sit. Can you reach it?
No. I can't go fit.
Oh, here we go. Now go out there and throw it to the girls. Libby, bring it to Emmy. Bring it to Emmy. Go get it, DJ. She didn't see you throw it, baby. Go get it, Emmy. She didn't see it that time. Okay, now show DJ that you're going to throw it. Call her name. Okay, she's ready. DJ, give it to Emmy.
Give it to Emmy. Give it to Emmy. She got it. She got it.
Good throwing, Emmy.
She got it.
Okay, now tell her you're going to throw it.
Tell her.
Call her name. Did they bring it back? DJ, give it to Emily. Sit. Okay, tell her you're going to throw it.
You didn't call her name.
It's okay, she got it. Bring it to Emily. Goodness. It's already getting hot.
But you want it.
Okay, you can have it. Here she comes. Libby's just good at running interference. Drop it. Okay. Emmy, get the ball.
And the DJ's gone. She got it.
Stop, DJ. Sit. DJ, take it to Emily.
Take it. Take it.
Emmy. Whoa. Did you almost get knocked down? Drop it. Okay, Emily. Libby, stop. Sit, girls. Are you all done playing with the puppies?
No.
Okay, the ball's right here.
No.
DJ, give it to Emily.
Give it to her.
They'll never stop. If you never stop, they'll never stop. Hold on. DJ, give it to Emily.
Hey.
DJ, bring it to Mommy. Sit. 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 Good listening. Libby brought it back that time. Tell her, say, bring it to me, Libby. Good job. Throw it again. She'll go get it. It's right by the pool, see? DJ didn't see you, baby. Oh, DJ found another one, Emmy. DJ has the other ball you threw.
This one.
Yeah, tell her, call her name first. Oh, she's going to bring you both of them. She's getting hot and needs a drink, okay? So we're going to take a break. See, she's drinking out of your pool because she spilled her bucket. She did. Hey, I'm going to put it on YouTube, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.